bunching up. We're going green out of 4. You got 18 laps coming to you. Sears going to lead the way with Cole Hedrick. Green flag is out. Green, green, green. They're going to fan out through turns 1 and 2. Wes Henderson taking the detour through the infield. They're going to stay side by side up here for that front spot. Is Sears and Hedrick going at it for the race lead. Tate Hughes right there with them. Caution flags out. Caution, caution, caution. Score. As Hendrickson finding himself around down in turn 3 and 4. Guys, go high, go high. West, go ahead and back her up a little bit slowly. Guys, go high, give him. 1 lap in the book, 17 laps left to go here in your sport mod feature. The 7 of Zach Sears going to lead the way. Cole Hedrick and Tate Hughes on that second row. Pair of veterans. Green is out, green, green, green. Sears going to lead the way down into turn 1. The 30 machine of Cole Hedrick looking to the inside. Tate Hughes going to work the outside line. Down the back straightaway. Give the advantage to the 30 for that second spot. Zach Sears going to get loose off the corner. That's going to leave the door open for the 30 machine. 2 laps now in the books. The 15 machine of Morgan Widener right there in that 4th spot. Here comes Connor New in the C10. Top 4 cars starting to break away from the rest of the field. Callahan and Hendricks getting together on the front straightaway. They're going to make contact. Caution flags out, guys. Caution's out. 14 and a 49 making contact on the front straightaway. We got debris over here on the front straightaway also. Green flag out of turn number 4. Sears going to lead the way. Has led since the drop of the green. Green flag is out. Green, green, green. Sears not getting that good of a start that time. He spins the wheels. That's going to allow the 30 and the 22 right on the back deck lid. Here comes Tate Hughes to the outside. Tate Hughes going to slam the door shut on the 7 machine. The 30 trying to diamond off the corner and work to the bottom side of him. They're going to go side by side down the front straightaway. Hughes down the inside. The 7 machine going to work the center of the racetrack. He's going to try to fire back down the back straightaway. They're going to come around to complete lap number 5 as the 7 machine digging around the bottom, trying to get the run on the 22C machine. The 30 car of Cole Hedrick trying to get to that second spot. He is all over the back deck lid of the 7 of Zach Sears. He's now going to pinch off the car and work to the inside down the front straightaway. He's going to work to the inside. Sears going to try to fight him back out on the outside. They're going to stay side by side down the back straightaway. The battle is for the second spot as Tate Hughes trying to pull away in the 22C machine. Down to the inside one more time goes that 30 machine. Can't make the pass. Zach Sears still able to fight him off down the back straightaway. They come around to complete lap number 8. The second and third place car now starting to run down the 22C. Last time by was a 6.6 second lead, and an eyeball test says they're there. Tate Hughes is a set and duck as these two are staying side by side and run down the 22C machine. Lap traffic going to play a factor here in about a lap as they come up on the 56 machine. Hughes going to work that middle line. Sears on the outside. The 30 working the extreme bottom. 3 racing grooves around the Beckley Motor Speedway as we're halfway home, just over the halfway mark. 11 laps into this 18-lap main event. Leaders are coming on the 56. Tate Hughes going to work the bottom side of the speedway. The 30 of Hendrick trying now to the inside more time. 56 leaders are on you. Stay low, 56, stay low. Stay low, 56. Leaders now past lap traffic. The 22C of Tate Hughes worked around the 56 machine. We're nose to tail the top three down the back straightaway. Cole Hedrick now to the inside of Zach Sears one more time. 14 laps in the books. Caution flag going to come out. Caution flag is out. Caution for the 56. Virginia's Cole Hedrick hanging right there with them. Green flag is out. Green, green, green. Tate Hughes going to lead the way. Zach Sears going to look to the inside. Cole Hedrick going to look to the outside of the 7 machine as they fan out down the back straightaway. Hedrick going to bend that car, try to get up underneath the 7, can't get it done. Hedrick toting that left front wheel like it's 1999 and his name's Steve Lucas around this place. 2 laps to go, just 2 more laps around here in the Sport Mod division. Hedrick digging on that bottom side of the speedway, and Zach Sears going to have another run at it. They're going to go side by side down in turn 3 and 4. White flag is out. One more time around, guys. One more. Sears going to lose the handle. He's going to gather up the 30 machine and keep her rolling. Checkered flag is out. Tate Hughes going to pick up the feature win the Sport Mods. Second spot going to go to Cole Hedrick. Zach Sears in the 3rd spot. 4th spot will be Morgan Widener. And coming home 5th will be the 14 of Wes Hendrickson. All right, guys, checker flag is out. Mr. Hughes, you can stop on the front straightaway here and get your picture taken. The rest of you guys need to cross the scales. Yes, yellow.
I'm waiting to see that yellow flag.
You can go ahead and run lines down after this one. Okay, I'm good. I can do the escape green. What's the red?
Okay. You need me to come back to assist or?
Yeah, if you got time, yeah, heck yeah. Guys, make some noise for him as he climbs out of that vehicle. He's out of Beaver, West Virginia. That one's for Chick. How about it for Tate Hughes and the 22C machine? Chicky was riding right there with you, man. Emotional year for that 22C machine. Y'all make some noise for him one more time. How about it for Beaver, West Virginia's Tate Hughes?